is a brief demo on how we are going to use QuickBooks software to manage or to track our sales and inventory at multiple shops. Okay. In our case, we are going to take the head office. We are going to take 2 branches or shops. Okay, so we have 3 shops: head office, Kaneshi office or branch, and the Kaswa shop or branch. Okay, so the idea is to use QuickBooks point of sale at all the branches to manage the sales and inventory or stock. Then, so that is at the shops. So all the branches, we are going to use QuickBooks point of sale to track the sales and inventory. Then at the head office, we are going to use QuickBooks to both track the inventory at the head office and also consolidate the sales and inventory at various shops, so that at least you can have a consolidated financial for all our branches put together. So point of sale is being managed at the branches, where we can have each branch sales and each branch inventory. Then the head office will consolidate all this data. So in the head office accounting system, you're going to see the various sales made by each of these sales outlets or branches or shops, the inventory values at these locations, and other reports. Okay. So I'm just going to start with the point of sale that is going to be run at the various shops. So at each of the shops, we have this point of sale, and each user will have its username and password, and also roles, permissions, which areas within the software that user will have access to. So for all the branches, we'll set them to have a role of being able to make sales. Apart from sales, they cannot do any other thing unless maybe you want them to do other things. Then we add up. Okay, so for the purpose of this demo, I already have some item lists I've loaded. So for item is we have a socket and extension board. For the socket, we have double socket YNW, we have double socket Bristol, we have single socket Bristol, and these are the products which are extension product. Okay, so these are the department or categories, and these are the items. Okay, and for each of these items, these are their prices, and these are the quantities that we have currently at the Kadeshi branch. Okay, now I'm going to also open the accounting system. So the accounting system, so you have to log in with your username and password. So I'm logging in as the administrator or system admin. Okay. So I'm just going to, as I said, I already have some data in the accounting system as part of a setup. I also have some data in the point of sale. So this is the point of sale. I'm going to do a summary of what I have. So these are the values that I have, quantities that I have of this particular product in the Kaneshi branch or shop. So I should have the same. So when I go to report, I should have same in the accounting system, because that's the quantity that I'm starting with. So report, I want to know the inventory quantity by site. By site mean by a branch or by inventory site. So I have head office inventory. So head office inventory currently, these items, these are the quantities that I have. And for the Kaneshi branch, these are the items, and this is the same as what the quantities that I have in my accounting system for the items at the Kaneshi branch is the same that I should also see in my Kaneshi office, so that at least we are starting on the same level. Okay, so data, the quantities of these items at the Kaneshi in my accounting system should be the same as a starting point. Okay, then at head office, these are the quantities that I have. At Kaneshi, these are the quantities I have. Okay, good. Now the various head shop will track their sales. So I'm going to do a couple of sales. I'll make some sales. Okay, let's say I'm selling double this particular product. So I'm selling 2 pieces. Someone came in and buy this particular product, 4 pieces, 3 pieces of this, making a total of 520. So I receive cash. I can save and print, or save only. Save and print receipt for the person. Then another person came in, bought this item, 1 piece, this item, 2 pieces, this item, 3 pieces, making 306. I'll see my cash, save and print receipt, or save only. Another person came in and he bought double socket Bristol, 3 pieces, 120. So this is what they will be doing, just to record the sales. Okay, now at the end of the period, or at the end of the day, they do a sales summary of what happened during the day. Okay, so they just have to come to report. So this can be done by an officer, or an officer at the head office, or you can also request the officers at the branches to send this report. Okay, they will sign it and send it via email to head office. Okay, and on a regular basis, the officer at the head office or the staff can come to various branches and come and just verify some of this report, or the officer at the office will go to the various shops and pick this data. So you go to reports, sales. I want to sales by item summary. Okay, so you select the period that you want. So let's say it's for today, yesterday, or a custom date will be from the 1st of October to the 1st of October. Then you apply. Okay, so I'm just going to do today, which is 1st of October to 1st October. Apply. So these are the items and the quantities sold for the period that I have selected. So this data will be sent to the head office for entry into their accounting system. Okay, good. You also realize that the total cash for the items sold, it is figure 940. So this item you sold 2 pieces, we generated 260 for it. This item sold 4 pieces, we generated this value for it, and this is the total for the money collected for this branch, which is Kaneshi. Okay, and that's what we are going to enter into our accounting system. Okay, so once the head office gets this information, head office will go into the accounting system and record the sales. Okay, so I'm recording the sale for which class? So I'm doing the sales for the Kaneshi branch. What are the items? What is the date? Today's date, which is 1st. Which item? So based on the information that I had from the Kaneshi office, this particular item, they sold it at the Kaneshi branch. They sold 2 pieces. Okay, and the amount generated was 200. Good. Then Kent extension, also sold from the Kaneshi office. They sold 4 pieces, making 400. Then double this particular product, they sold 6 pieces. Then single socket to this, sold 4 pieces. So the total of these items, this plus this plus this plus this, is 940, which is same as the report which was generated from the point of sale at the Kaneshi branch. Okay, good. So once we finish, you do some small selections. Okay, so this money is going into Kaneshi cash. Once I finish this entry, I just go ahead and save it. As simple as that. Now, when I go to reports, I go to my inventory, and I want to see the inventory that I have at my various branches. Realize that for Kent extension, I have 975 at the head office, and the Kanish have 21. Okay, and that should be the same as this. Okay, so Kent extension 21 piece, in the account is 21 piece. Mombasa extension 23, then single socket Bristol 46, which is here. Okay, so that is that. Then when I go to my reports, I go to my financial reports. Okay, I can generate profit and loss by class, which will show me sales that I've done from all the branches, including even the head office, and also the total. Okay. If there's any expenses that I want to attach to a particular branch, I can attach it and have the profit and loss based on the branches, and also have the total for the whole organization here. So that is that. So this is just a brief demo. I can also do what you call a transfer. So I can just come to inventory. Let's say you transfer some inventory from the head office to the Kaneshi branch. Okay, what are the items? So let's say Kent, you currently have 75 at head office. How much are you transferring? Let's say you are transferring 10 pieces. Save and close. Now you go into the point of sale. Okay, and also receive items from the head office. The item was Kent 10 pieces. You can go ahead and save all. So realize that when I go to my item list, you realize that Kent is 931. When I go into my accounting system too, Kent 31 at Kaneshi. Then the head office own has reduced from 75 to 65. Then it was 21 for Kaneshi. Now it has also increased by 10. Okay, so that is how the system is going to work. Okay, you can have various reports on branches, and also for all the branches put together. Okay, both the sales, inventory, profit and loss, and other things. So as I said, this is just a brief demo. So once you are doing the setup, we will do the training and in detail. Thank you.